Gborn was born of curiosity, really. At first, we were vacationing in Italy, December 2012, and we were walking through the streets of Cortona, and we started seeing a bunch of small jewelry stores. They were carrying beautiful jewelry lines that we never saw before, and we really started thinking about, well, what if we tried something new and we started bringing these designers back to Puerto Rico? We decided that a website was the perfect platform for our store, a place where we could get all of our clients, we could reach them 24/7. We could facilitate their lives, not having to break their busy schedules, and we could provide them quality jewelry at affordable prices and without sacrificing service.
We have selected from all over the world our designers. We have designers like Kenna J. Lane, which I'm wearing, that have the classic Tiffany breakfast at Tiffany pearls. We have Canuprilla, which is gold, pure gold. We have 14, 18, and 22 karat gold. And from Puerto Rico, we have Erika Peña, which is one of our greatest designers in the island. Our prices start from $8 in the fashion jewelry until $300, which is our Canuprilla necklace.